Hey everybody, yes, it's Sam back once again, your favourite Sam on the internet, and we've got another case from ESR. This time, again, it came in a very nondescript box. I was like, what is it? Looks on the back of it, and this is a kickstand, a clear kickstand case. Intriguing. Let's see what it's all about, shall we? Again, I'm not going to be taking forever with these videos. They are going to be pretty much run and gun, just as they are. No fancy stuff, just boom. You see it as you see it. If you don't like it, you don't like it. Piddle off, etc, etc. So normal stuff, just telling you how to stick it in there. Don't need that. And here it is. That's not bad, is it? Now, actually, I've used this one. Probably might see a little bit of dust or something. I did use this one when I first got it, and I really like it. I like the kind of cutout here, which I'll show you. Anyway, let's put the phone in there, and it's easy as Larry. Just kind of push it down, pop it in like that. It's a lot easier than the glass one. So if you've come from the glass video, this one's a lot easier to put the actual phone inside there. And I'm guessing that's just because it's TPU, the whole back of it. It doesn't feel as rigid. So that's something that I've kind of noticed after playing with the glass one, is to these, they still feel solid, don't get me wrong, but they don't feel just as solid as that glass one does. Anyway, let's take you around it really quickly, see all the ports and whatnot. So as you can see on the bottom, we've got the cutouts for the microphone, the speaker and the lightning port. Nice size cutouts. Going down here, just got your ESR logo, the power button, and again, look, it's got these little cutouts. So when you are pressing it in and out, very smooth. Some of the best buttons on any cases I've tried. As you can see down those corners, it's got like a little air bubble, and again, that's for if you do to drop it, it's going to protect it. I like that. Nothing else on the top at all. Going down the left side, you can just see that there. You've got your silencer, your volume up and down. Once again with those buttons, super easy. And then as you go down, I think it's like a little lanyard strapped to a phone charm. Yeah. But you're thinking, what's this? This is the kickstand. Voila. Happy days. And it is a metal kickstand at that. So basically you pull it out, boom, job done. Watch a movie, whatever you might want to do. I definitely like this as well, but I don't really recommend it because it feels like it always wants to tipple over. So personally, don't have it this way. I just have it like this. Yeah. So you can basically watch a movie, basically go in, turn it on, put a movie on, boom, happy days. Get your controller, whatever you might want to do, whatever you do with these kickstand cases. I don't personally use a kickstand case. I did when I first got it, and something I like about this one is because of the size of the phone, obviously it's a little bit hard to hold at times. You can actually use this to kind of put your finger underneath there and there. So it kind of just rests on it. So I don't know if you can kind of see that. So it kind of helps you hold it up. So you don't just do the pinky. We all know that the little pinky is stressed. You can also use this thing here as well. And happy days. And as I was saying about the camera cutout, I do like how deep they are. And I like the style on them as well. They look really nice. So once again, you don't have to worry about it being slammed down. Happy days. And especially with this kickstand, it is kind of raised it up a little bit as well. And on the front of it, you can just see that there. It's got a nice slight raise on there. I have a screen protector, so it's not as big as it normally would do, but it still does have a slight lip on the front of it, again, for slamming your phone down, whatever you might want to do. That's it. That is the clear kickstand from the company ESR. Once again, I want to say thank you for watching. If you have any questions in regards to this one or any other ones, I think you know what to do by now, but if you don't, hit me up on a comment down below. Don't forget to smash the like button. Go on, smash. And subscribe. It's free, honestly. Doesn't cost you a penny, a nickel or a dime. Anyway, people, once again, thank you for watching. And you'll see me, well, once again, you might not see me, but you'll see these puppies and you'll hear this voice in my next video. Cheers, everyone.